Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me and I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Yes. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, and if you're returning, hey girl, hey. So today, as y'all can see from that title, your girl is about to install a wig. So let me show y'all the wig. So this is the wig, y'all. Look at the color. It's giving very much fall vibes, as y'all can see. It is ginger, a color I never did before. And yeah, y'all, I got this wig off of TEMU. Also, y'all, this wig came with goodies. It came with a wig cap, and it also came with some lashes. So the first thing I'm about to do is I'm about to bleach the hair, of course. I mean, not the hair, but I'm about to bleach the lace, and I'm gonna be using this BW2 bleaching powder, and then this 40 volume developer. Hopefully y'all can see that. And yeah, I ain't got no little fancy bowl and little mixer upper tool, but I do got a bowl and a spoon. So I'm about to go ahead and open this. I don't need all of it, but I need a little bit of it. So I'm just gonna open it. Y'all, this junk be so strong. Like, I hate the way it smells. And y'all, I'm not a professional. I just want y'all to know that. And I hope my camera right here not irritating y'all. I just wanted a different like angle, and I'm messing with it.
Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening me and I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying.
Okay, y'all, so I'm done mixing my paste up. This is what it's looking like. It's not too watery, but it's not too thick. Y'all see? That's exactly how I wanted it. Okay, y'all, so I flipped this unit inside out, and then I took this little tissue paper or whatever that came with the wig, and I just put it like right there so that the paste, you know, the bleach won't touch the hair basically. So yeah, I'm just patting it on there very lightly, distributing it everywhere. So I finally got the bleach all over the lace, y'all, and I'm just gonna let it sit on there for like 20 to 30 minutes so it can bleach really good. And yeah, here's the products that I showed y'all in the previous clips, but it was like backwards. So yeah, that's the BW2 bleaching powder, and then that's the 40 volume developer cream. So y'all, I'm currently washing the bleach out of the hair. This is the soap that I'm gonna be using to, you know, wash it or whatever. Y'all, this soap smells so good. But this is the lace after being bleached, as y'all can see. And I'm just like detangling it. Y'all, it does shed a lot. Like, look at my brush. It does shed a lot, I'm not gonna lie. I'm currently plucking the hairline because the hair got to give natural. If it don't give natural, then why am I wearing it?
Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I?
Okay, y'all, so I did braid my hair into 2 braids. The braids look crazy, but it don't matter because it's gonna be under the cap anyway. So it is the next day, y'all. I'm just waking up. Here's the wig. She is dried out, as y'all can see. I brushed her out, so she's really flipped out. So yeah, let's just get into this wig install, y'all. So you already saw the wig and everything. So I'm basically just about to do my bald cap method, which is really simple. Everybody do theirs their own way. Me personally, I do it differently every time. So yeah, this time around I didn't put the cap over my ears, but it's fine because when I install wigs in my hair, I really don't keep them in too long. But yeah, I used the Eben or Eben, however you pronounce it, spray, and I just sprayed it on the cap. I let it sit until I feel like it's dry, and then you see what I'm doing. I'm cutting off the extra lace that you don't need. And me personally, I didn't put makeup on the cap, but most people do that. I do it sometimes. It just depends. But I feel like I really didn't need it because I already bleached the lace, and then I'm gonna go in on the lace with makeup. So that's just an extra build-up that I just really didn't need. So yeah, I'm adjusting the wig and still cutting more pieces from the cap, removing, you know, excess cap that is not needed. And yeah, I'm just sizing out the wig cap, making sure everything is just where it needs to be, basically. I'm making sure it fit right, which it does fit right or whatever. Y'all, I don't know. But yeah, now I'm cutting in my little slits because I feel like when you do this, it make it easier to like glue it down. So yeah, I cut 3 little slits in, and then I'm taking the spray again. Y'all, I love this spray. It just works so great. It's not sponsored, even y'all should sponsor me, but yeah. I apply that to my forehead. Y'all can see the cap did come up a little bit, but it's fine. You're just gonna pour your lace in front of your cap anyways. You don't want to put it directly on it, but in front of it. So yeah, y'all, I just cut out my ear tabs because that makes the wig like lay better and look more natural. So yeah, I'm doing the same thing to the other side, cutting out my ear tabs because you want the wig to look as natural as possible. And then I'm just gonna glue the lace down, y'all. I'm gonna spray a lot of Eben just because Eben or Eben, like I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, I'm gonna spray it everywhere because you want that lace to be laid. You want it to be melted, okay? So yeah, y'all, now I'm putting my lace band down so that it can dry and melt. And then after I let it dry for about 20 minutes, and yeah, now I'm gonna like cut the excess lace off. Y'all know, so I'm probably just gonna let the music play over the video, and if I feel like I need to say something else, I'm gonna come back in. But I hope y'all enjoy this video. Hope y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what y'all want to see from me. So y'all, I'm waiting on my lace to melt. I'm gonna go ahead and fill up my bottle. I got this bottle from the beauty supply store. It was $1.99. It's really cute, really small. Okay, y'all, so I pretty much got all the edges that I want to keep out, as y'all can see right here. And now I'm about to go put this hot comb on the stove so I can hot comb these edges, and then we're gonna cut them, and then we're gonna style it, and we should be done. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me myself. I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm still with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. I pick myself. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. Push me away. All the shit you said you wouldn't do, you did it anyway. All the shit we was building, boy, you threw it away. I love you mentally before I love you physically. Crazy how you was once my life. So y'all, this is what it's giving. I'm loving this unit. The color is everything. The lace is everything. Y'all, the baby hairs is everything. Like, I love a dramatic look. And yeah, for it to look a little more natural, I went in with some makeup, some foundation. That's my color. And y'all see, it's really giving it that look. Like, you can't tell me this ain't my real hair. You just can't. Like, after I put that makeup on there, yeah, it was really giving. So yeah, I'm gonna link this wig in my description box below, just in case y'all feeling this unit and y'all want to purchase it yourself. So yeah, this is the aftermath. I tied it down a little bit more so it could just lay. And yeah, y'all even beat my face because the hair was giving. I need my makeup done. So yes, I'm in love, y'all. Everything turned out perfect. It really was just giving. And I love this. And if y'all like it too, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with more videos.